Hello, everybody. In this video, I am going to show you how to screen record, edit that screen recording, and then share that recording with your teams. This will be very useful if you want to show them how to do something. You want to train them on different skill sets. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to need an app called Clipchamp. So I'm going to type in Clipchamp, and this is an application that is it's included with your Microsoft 365 account. The app may not be on your computer at the moment, so go ahead and download it and then log in using your 365 credentials. You can also use this online, but there is a caveat here to if you use it online. If you use it online, you cannot share your screen on applications that are outside of whatever browser you're using. So if you're using Chrome, you can only share different tabs in Chrome, but you cannot share the applications that you're using. So if you want to show Word, you're going to need the application, the Clipchamp application, to show that Word document. Okay, so once you log in, what you're going to do is you're going to click blank video. After it loads, go ahead and click the record and create on the left side. Now there's different options here. You can show your screen, so screen share, and then also show your face. You can just show your face, and you can also just show your screen. You can do audio and you can do text to speech. I don't use those things myself. If you want to, I think they're self-explanatory. But let's go ahead and just do the screen share today. I don't feel like showing my pretty face today. So once you click screen share, and even if you click the video and screen share, this will show up, this page. And then you're probably at this point going to get prompted to enable access. So go ahead and click yes or click enable, depending on what the system is asking. And then from here, you click start the screen recording. Now you're going to be prompted to tell it what you want to record. So the first one is going to be asking you which applications do you want to share. I don't want to share a specific application today. I want to share my entire screen. So I'm going to click the top right tab. And then I have two monitors right now, but I want to share my first screen. I want to also share my system audio. So click share. So after it counts down, you are now sharing. So let's see. I'm going to open up Word. And I can type in Word. Let's see. Let's go hello world, exclamation point. Alrighty. Now let's go into Chrome. So I click Chrome. I am on the Wikipedia page. Let's see what the Wikipedia feature is today. William Hardham. Don't know who that is. Other news. Voila. You can see everything. Tea House Basics questions. Alrighty. And then once you're done screen sharing, then you're just going to click stop sharing. So after it counts down, you are now sharing. So let's see. I'm going to open up Word and I can type in Word here. So you see, once you stop sharing, it will automatically start showing the video you did. So I'm going to click save and edit. Sometimes it will take a little bit. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So sometimes it will take a little bit to load. You can see I was just confused a little bit because I thought it only saved the last couple seconds of the video. But it looks like we have saved the entire video. And I can see we're just scrolling through. See, it's still buffering because it's still loading. Alrighty. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds and let it load. Okay, and I'm back. That was probably half a second for you. That was 15 seconds for me. So once you're looking at the video, you will be looking at a timeline. That's what this section right here is. And then you can edit it from here. I am going to go ahead. I'm just going to drag this. I'm going to remove it from my timeline. Oh, no. I'm going to delete it from my timeline. So if you don't have anything on your timeline, you can then click what's on the left side and then you'll drag it. Boom. Now right now there is only one video, but if you did a screen share and you also did a video share, you will have two different videos. One will be your screen, that's what this is, and then one will be your video camera. And so you would have to drag both of them onto this timeline. Now, if I click play,
So after it counts down, you are now sharing.
so you will see the video itself. But I want to edit this video. So what I can do is I can drag the things on the left side. These blue, I believe they're blue. I'm actually colorblind, so that could be purple. It could be pink too. Okay, I think these things are blue. So we can click them, drag it, and then now we have shortened the clip. We can click it back or drag it back, and now we shorten the clip. Or maybe you want to cut out some filler space. So I know in this video, I do have some time where I'm like waiting. So if you did want to cut that out, you would have to go find it, drag, or what you would do is you would just play it until you find where you want to cut. So you would then click splits, just click S on your keyboard. So now you split, and then I would just play again.
Now let's go into Chrome.
Find the next part I want to split. I just click split. And then I'd find the section I want to remove, click that, right click, and delete. Now, this is a blank spot right here. So click delete this gap to make sure that it drags everything else from your video all the way to the left side. Alrighty. So at this point, I am done with the video. So I want to make sure it's saved. So give it a name. Let's see, I want to save it as test video screen share. I don't know. Screen share, one word, two words? I don't know. We'll just say that. So I click enter, and all right, looks like it has not updated. Right, there we go. Just updated. All right. So at this point, you can click share, and this is the typical sharing options that any Microsoft has. So you can type in someone's name, you can give them different access. Right now, I'm going to click X out of it, and I'm going to export instead. So once you export, you're going to have options. Do you want to store in the cloud? Do you want to give a description? Where do you want to save it? Do I want to change my locations? There we go. I am going to actually X out of this. So it's just going to be saving the default. So I'm going to click export. Actually, what are more options? There we go. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to click export. It's going to give me a loading bar. Once it is done, then I have a couple of different options right here. So I can just watch straight in the browser. I can share it with the people in my organization. I can copy the link and just share that link. If I want to look at the file itself and like maybe add that to our SharePoint site, I can find that file and then upload it straight from there. But you can see sometimes it does take a while to export. It's like that with every single video processor, video editor. This was only a 49-second video, but if you have like a 5-minute, 10-minute video, you can see that it might be a while. So go ahead, take a coffee break, and then come back to this when it's done. All right, so we're done here. I want to watch the video. Click watch the video. Share. I am going to copy the link. I am going to click settings. I want to make sure anyone can see. I don't want to give them access to edit it, so just they can view it. Apply. We have copied the link, and then I am going to open up an incognito tab just to show you what this looks like. Paste it in, click enter.
So after it counts down, you are now sharing.
And voila, that is how you create a video from your screen recording. That way you can use it to train your teammates and train your employees. Thank you very much. Hope you are healthy, wealthy, and a little bit wiser now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.